Hey guys, I'm back again with another another recipe. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a colorful bowl of vegetable salad, and I'm sharing the Nigerian style of creating it. So let's get right into it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
In this video, I'll be making use of white cabbage, some carrot, lettuce, sweet corn, kidney beans, cucumber, and eggs. The beauty of any salad is how well you cut the vegetables. Remember guys, we eat first with our eyes. So I'm taking my time to cut this vegetable nicely. I'm starting with cabbage. To cut this cabbage, I'm following the beautiful pattern in this cabbage. Cut the cabbage in tiny strips following the pattern guys. You can see as I'm doing it in this video. Next, we move to the carrots. I'm using this sharp grater to shred my carrots. It makes work so easier for me. Look at that beautiful carrot shred guys. Place the shredded carrot in a plate and set aside. For the cucumber, cut the cucumber in half and then in quarters. Take out the inner part, then cut each quarters in strips and then in smaller dices. I'm also doing the same for the lettuce, running the knife through to get a beautiful cut. When I'm done, I'll place it on the plate and also set aside. You also need a bowl of salad to keep the salad fresh in the fridge. Now it's time for assembling these vegetables. I love to assemble them in layers. That way, I don't have to mix everything together again. And it also helps the salad to look pretty. I'm starting off with cabbage, followed by carrots. Then I'll add some lettuce, cucumber, and sweet corn, and the rest of the ingredients. same process until you've exhausted all the vegetables. Remember guys, you can use any of your preferred vegetable to build your salad. You can add apple, you can add purple cabbage, you can add any vegetable of your choice. You mustn't stick with the ones I use. Guys, ensure that all the vegetables you are using for this recipe makes its way to the top, so that at first glance anyone can tell the vegetable you use. Finally, top some boiled egg slices. Now this definitely looks like a pretty salad bowl to me and will attract the attention of a salad lover. Just looking at it now guys, I want another plate of salad. You can enjoy this on its own or with chicken or as a side dish. Anyone serves. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.